in the past month, my portfolio has dropped by more than 130,000 US dollars, which is really, really crazy. You can see here on my portfolio, everything is just red except for Matic. For those of you who've been watching this channel for a while, you realize that I recently published a video about the top 10 cryptocurrencies to buy in 2021, 2022, and one of those cryptocurrencies was actually Matic. During that time, it was actually trading around $1.39, and right now it's just, at the peak right now, it's trading at around $2.50, for example. Actually, just today just hit the new all-time high right about here. If I can get my horizontal array right about here, so that was the new all-time high that it just hit. And you can see that within this mini bear market, it's been really doing well. I'm on a 4-hour chart here. So Matic has been really doing well, except other cryptocurrencies have been really trembling. If we go to the price of Bitcoin, you can see that it's been really just going down. You can see it's been really crashing for the past month or so. If we come and look at the percentage, about 40% drop in the past month or so, which is really huge. And it's one of the reasons why I decided to upload this video, because most people will hear about cryptocurrencies when it's breaking news. For example, when every news publication is talking about Bitcoin, hitting the new all-time high, then everybody FOMOs in on buying these cryptocurrencies without knowing that anything can happen. So I wanted to show you, both sides of the story or of cryptocurrencies, that indeed it can go absolutely up. Cryptocurrencies can go up by thousands of percentage in a matter of a year or a month or even a day, for example. But it's very imperative to understand that you can also lose a lot of money. Obviously, I'm a long-term holder in all these cryptocurrencies that I'm holding right here, and that's what I wanted to bring to your attention. If we come back to the portfolio here, you can actually see that within the past month, obviously, I've been really losing a lot of money. But if you come to the previous week or so, if I can get to that, you can see here, if you come to the previous week, we're actually up by 30,000 US dollars. But obviously that's not a lot of money, considering that we're actually down on our portfolio for about 130. If we come to I think the past day or so, you can obviously see that I'm down by $8,000, which is something that most people won't show you. People just show you when they're up and making a lot of money on the market. So here I'm down by about $8,000, and the reason behind that is, obviously, if we come back to the market right here, is because of this pullback here. But we just have to see if we'll be able to close. Maybe we just need to come back and bounce off here and then continue right here. But if we come back and break it even lower than that, then it's going to be really bad for the entire spectrum of the crypto space. But that's what I wanted to talk about here, that not only you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money. And that's why I wanted to title this video that maybe cryptocurrencies isn't for you. And I want to go through the points that if you're doing these things, when you're seeing your cryptocurrency portfolio down by 40% and you panic sell because you just want to get something out of everything that's left, you basically are what we call weak hands. You're not like diamond hands. So the market will always come down to shake off every weak hand, for example. So that's why it's very important not to invest money, firstly, that you're not willing to lose, and also money that you're gonna need on your day-to-day basis, because you don't know where the market is gonna be tomorrow. So you shouldn't be investing money that you're using for your rent, for example, or to pay off your bills. So it's very important to just only invest money that you're not gonna need in a short amount of time. So if you are that person who is just FOMOing in on the market and sort of like investing for the sake of making short gains, maybe then cryptocurrency investing is not for you, because the market can go against you for months or even years. So you need to be always prepared that anything can happen on the market. It's not only just on a linear movement. It doesn't just always go up, but it also comes down, as just shown you here. is sort of like a portfolio is down by 130,000 US dollars, which is a lot of money. Today, in the past day or so, it's down by $8,000, and you can see that some people just have $8,000 to put in on the market, and you can see that significant impact that can have on your portfolio. Your portfolio may be down by $4,000, and then all of a sudden you feel like you're losing a lot of money. Remember, when it's come to cryptocurrencies, if you are invested in good cryptocurrencies, in good coins, in good tokens, you only lose money when you sell. As we can see here, that most people have been, selling in within all this descending trend. You can see also here that people has just been selling. So when it comes to this point here, let me just delete this. So in most cases, when people see such significant amount of drop on the market, they will then panic and offload their bags, in that case only to find out that the market is still just gonna bounce just like that. So if you are the person who is investing just because they want to make a quick cash, maybe the market then is not for you. By the way, I'm going to be uploading another video with a top 10 potential cryptocurrencies that you should potentially be looking in 2022. But yeah, if you are buying cryptocurrencies for the long term, considering that you're buying good cryptocurrencies, then you should be good. But if you just want to make a quick buck, I can assure you that this market is not for you, because this market is very volatile. You should also consider maybe doing something called day trading cryptocurrencies. In 2022, we're going to be making great videos here on this channel about how to day trade and how to actually be a very profitable day trader. Obviously, we're going to share with you everything that you need to know. So make sure that you like the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you are alerted every time those videos does come out here on the channel. Otherwise, just make sure that you only invest money that you're willing to lose, and you don't invest into cryptocurrencies for the sake of FOMO because you had someone talking about a specific cryptocurrency on the market. Don't go and invest in these cryptocurrencies because you want to be finding the next Shiba Inu, the next Dogecoin, for example. Chances are you won't. So when you're investing in cryptocurrencies, just look for coins that are very matured, that have been in the space for a very long time. That's what I spoke about also in my previous videos, that the coin or the tokens that you're investing in must have the ability to have withstand the bear market, not only withstand it, but also be able to survive and surpass their previous highs. So if you find value in this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And now that we discussed this video on why you should not invest, or if you're doing these things and then investing in cryptocurrencies is not for you, I'm probably gonna make another video where I'm gonna give you maybe top 10 reasons why you should invest in cryptocurrencies, because this space is really a good space and it's just getting started. If you're in here and you think you're too late, believe me, you are very early. So that's why you shouldn't be looking for these coins that are extremely cheap so that you can make quick buck. However, look for coins that are matured so that you sort of like have security within your investment. As much as nothing is safe, nothing is guaranteed on the internet, but at least have something that has sort of like a proven history. So yeah, always be careful on the internet. The video coming up next, I'm just gonna give you my top 10 reasons why you should invest in cryptocurrencies and why cryptocurrencies are going to be the next big thing. I know that video is sort of like contradicting the title of this video. However, it's very imperative that we show you both sides of the story, possibility of you making money and the possibilities of you losing money, so that you are well prepared and that you only invest money that you're not gonna need in a short term, and money that's basically just willing to lose, because nothing is certain on the market. I'm Voice Designer. I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye for now. Peace.